Ciao svima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok by the name stefanttt, or in English stefanttt. And today I'm going to react to the song that will represent Spain to Eurovision Song Contest 2022. So, if you want to know what I think about this song, keep on watching. Que no se confunda, señores y señores, don't you even think that I will be sleeping on Eurovision 2022. I've got plenty of your messages and a lot of you asked me, where are the new Eurovision reactions? What's happening? So don't worry everybody, here I am. I was just waiting for the right opportunity to start this whole new Eurovision journey together with you. And speaking of opportunity, Spain has finally decided to host a proper festival to choose their Eurovision representative. The national final of Benidorm Fest happened last night, and I must say that this festival was everything that I love and enjoy about one festival. The production was on the best level possible. The compositions and the performances were to die for. So Benidorm basically gave me life, gave me hope for this new Eurovision, gave me inspiration to start recording again. But there is one thing that I didn't like, and this is not just the problem of this festival, this is the problem of Eurovision and the other festivals in general, and this is the way juries voted. Of course, I'm talking about the robbery, the fact that they actually put Terra in 5th place and therefore set up Terra not to win and not to represent Spain for the obvious political reasons. But I'm still happy with the new representative that Spain has got for us. This girl had her debut performance here in Benidorm Festival and the performance was on fire. Her name is Chanel or Chanel. It all depends who you are asking. I will call her Chanel because that's what I heard on Spanish national television, and her song's name is Slomo. Now, of course, I watched the festival. This is not my first reaction, but it will not stop me to present to you the best possible feeling of the song and to give you my honest opinions when we hear it together. So, without any further ado, let's go. Slomo.
Let's go. Llegó la mami, la reina.
This here is immediately bam.
La dura, una Bugatti. El mundo está loco con este party. Si tengo un problema no monetary, le vuelvo loquito todo lo daddy.
The hips. The hip pump, pump, pump. Yes. And she actually looks like a Spanish matador. I love it.
Pues siempre primero, nunca secondary. Apenas hago zoom zoom con mi boom boom y le tengo dando zoom zoom a Miami. Y no se confundan, señoras y señores, yo siempre estoy ready.
Every movement is so well rehearsed that I am obsessed. Like.
Solo existe una, no hay imitaciones. Take a video, watch it some more. Booty hypnotic, make you want more.
This moment. Oh, yes, please call me. Please call me. I want to be on the stage with you together. Like, this is already like lighting the fire under my ass.
Voy a bajarlo, tan solo, lo. If you wish you could do this tempo. Drives you loco, take a video,
Whoa, give me the hair. Yes. Okay, I must say that she sounded way much better in the final than in the semi-final. The girl worked on her vocals, so she listened and she actually practiced it. So she will be a good representative. Trust me, Spain.
Cuando la prendo hasta el fin, yo no me detengo. Take a sip of my cola, porque salvaje, na na na. México like pa 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 pa.
Ay, pa 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 pa. Whoa.
Like pa 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 pa. Y no se confunda. Y no se confunda. Yo siempre estoy ready.
Yeah.
Pa romper cadera, romper corazón. corazones solo existe.
I don't know if I should post this video. I'm just too much. This song brings everything. But it's not just about the song, it's about the way she presents the song. I'm obsessed. This part is like the music video. This doesn't even feel like a performance. This feels like it's already been recorded and just presented to us, like the whole slow-mo thing. Work it! This is not even real. The energy that this girl has, it's out of this world. I don't know where she drains all of it. Okay, the moves actually remind me when J-Lo did a performance with Maluma for the song Lonely. Even the outfit is similar, but this is not a bad thing. If you remind me of J-Lo, of her movements, you're a professional, baby. This, every beat with the movement. On point. Bow down the queen, yes! Oh, I needed to play it one more time just for the applause, just to hear it. I am speechless. This is why I was waiting for my first Eurovision reaction. I wanted to start with the bang, and the bang I got. I didn't get the bang. I get the explosion in the universe. I got the big bang. This gives you so much energy. A lot of people actually say that she doesn't sound well. When you listen to her on the earphones, you can hear every note she has, and it is way much better, as I said before, than the semifinals. How to even describe such dance moves, and not just the dance moves, they're so complicated, but she brings them with such an ease that it is remarkable. And this is her debut performance. This girl didn't perform before on the big screen, and this is the way to enter the entertainment world. Good job, girl. The first time I heard her, I was like everybody else. Okay, it is a good dance song, but it doesn't have layers to it. I still agree to a certain point with that, but with the way she brings the song, it elevates her on the Eleni Foureira level, and dare I say, even 2 steps above. This girl is like Eleni Foureira on steroids. There are few things that she needs to work on, especially vocally. There's like this high note that she tries to reach, but it's not there yet, so she needs to work on that. I wouldn't change a thing when it comes to choreography, but maybe this backdrop that says Chanel, maybe I would do something else there, but even this was perfect. This was so good. Was this my favorite last night? Of course it was not, because Tera was my favorite when it comes to composition, to the singing, and the whole thing they're bringing to the table. Also, I Mama had a very good concept for the song, so it was fun as well, but this girl has also got the full package. Now, do I think Spain is going to win Eurovision 2022? Honestly, I don't think so. I don't think that this type of song is the winner potential, but we never know. If other countries decide to send bullshit like Moldova and Bulgaria, of course this will be a stand up and win the whole thing. But if the competition is as usual, tough, I don't think so. But whether it's gonna be in top 10, absolutely. Top 5, very much possible. Therefore, what is my final rating for Chanel and Slomo going to be? Drum rolls, please. Dun, 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 dun. My final rating for Chanel and Slomo and Spain will be 8 out of 10. 8 is such a good mark. I'm leaving that space for her to improve the vocals and to surprise me on Eurovision stage. But this right now is perfect. Everything I love. A good bop, the dance song, it's fun, it's something Eurovision needs, it's something that Eurovision has every year, and this year is no exception. Thank you, Chanel, and good luck in Eurovision 2022. Alright everybody, that would be it for today. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to hear my reactions and opinions of other Eurovision songs this year. I will not promise that I will be doing all of them, because I never did it. However, there will be plenty of those. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao!